Welcome to Rome. The Eternal City, a place where history, art, and culture converge in a timeless embrace. From the grandeur of ancient ruins to the splendor of Renaissance masterpieces, Rome offers an unparalleled journey through the ages. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an art lover, or a curious traveler, Rome promises an experience that will linger in your heart forever. So, tighten your sandals and prepare your senses. Welcome to Trevi. Today, we embark on a journey through the Eternal City, Rome. Here are the 10 must-visit places in Rome, Italy, that will captivate your wanderlust. Number 1, the Colosseum. Step into history at the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built, inaugurated in 80 CE. This iconic structure once hosted gladiatorial battles and public spectacles, holding up to 50,000 spectators. Stand beneath its arches and feel the echoes of roaring crowds and clashing swords. The detailed engineering, including a retractable awning system, showcases Roman ingenuity. It's more than just ruins, it's a symbol of power, endurance, and spectacle. Number 2, Vatican Museums and Sistine Chapel. Marvel at the artistic treasures within the Vatican Museums, culminating in the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes, including The Last Judgment, adorn the chapel's ceiling and altar wall. This sacred space continues to host significant papal ceremonies and conclaves. Wander through vast galleries filled with ancient sculptures, Renaissance tapestries, and Egyptian artifacts. Every corridor is a walk through centuries of devotion and creativity. It's a place where art becomes divine. Number 3, the Pantheon. A testament to Roman engineering, the Pantheon boasts the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Originally built as a temple to all gods, its oculus bathes the interior in natural light, creating a celestial ambience. Converted into a church in the 7th century, it remains one of Rome's best preserved ancient monuments. The symmetry and harmony of its design still inspire architects today. Number 4, Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Wander through the Roman Forum, the epicenter of ancient Roman public life, where speeches, trials, and markets once thrived. Adjacent lies Palatine Hill, the legendary birthplace of Rome and home to imperial palaces. Together, they offer a vivid tapestry of Rome's rich history. You'll find remnants of temples, basilicas, and victory arches, all telling tales of emperors and everyday citizens. The views from Palatine Hill overlook the entire forum, a breathtaking sight at sunset. Number 5, MAXXI, National Museum of 21st Century Arts. Dive into contemporary creativity at MAXXI, Italy's first national museum dedicated to modern arts and architecture. Designed by Zaha Hadid, the museum's dynamic spaces host rotating exhibitions that challenge and inspire. Sleek lines, fluid spaces, and bold structures contrast beautifully with Rome's ancient character. MAXXI serves as a cultural bridge between the past and the present. From installations to digital art, it's a must-visit for those seeking Rome's modern heartbeat. Number 6. Musei Capitolini. Perched atop Capitoline Hill, the Musei Capitolini House, a vast collection of art and artifacts tracing Rome's history. From ancient sculptures to Renaissance paintings, it's a treasure trove for history enthusiasts. The museums are housed in stunning palazzi, designed by Michelangelo himself. It's where the city's spirit is preserved in marble and canvas. Number 7. The Spanish Steps. Climb the elegant Spanish Steps, a monumental stairway of 135 steps connecting Piazza di Spagna to the Trinità dei Monti Church. Built in the 18th century with French funds, they offer a picturesque spot, especially during spring when adorned with blooming azaleas. Whether you sit with a gelato or stroll up with purpose, the steps invite you to pause and soak in the moment. Number 8. Trevi Fountain. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to Rome as tradition suggests. This Baroque masterpiece, completed in 1762, features Neptune at its center, commanding the waters. Annually, approximately 1.4 million euros is collected from the fountain and donated to charity. Come early morning or late evening to avoid the crowds and enjoy its magic. The fountain is not just a wish, it's a declaration of love to the city. Number 9. Santa Maria in Via. Discover the serene Santa Maria in Via, a church with origins dating back to the 9th century. Rebuilt following a reported miracle, it stands as a testament to Rome's deep spiritual roots. Its modest facade hides a sanctuary of peace and reverence. It's one of Rome's hidden gems, often overlooked but profoundly moving. Number 10. Terme di Caracalla, Baths of Caracalla. Explore the ruins of the Baths of Caracalla, once among the largest public baths in ancient Rome. Built between AD 212 and 216, the site is now used for summer operas and concerts, blending history with modern performance. It's where ancient leisure meets cultural revival. Rome is a city where every stone has a soul and every alley hides a legend. Rome speaks to every heart. The stories here are not just seen, they are felt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures around the world. Arrivederci. And until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for watching.